Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our if-else session part 2. If you haven't watched the previous videos, the links are in the description box below. Now, in this session, we will introduce another block, that is else if. We will design the features of a robot with if, else if and else statement. For instance, a person is coming nearby the robot, and if the distance is suppose 8 centimeter, the robot will say hello. Else if the distance is 4 centimeter, the robot will move its hand and perform handshake. Else it won't do anything. So let us write the code for it in Python. To perform the code, we will have to take the input from the ultrasonic sensor, but in this session we don't have any hardware integration. Therefore, we will only take the user input and we will only print the statements. Our main focus will be writing the if, else if and else statement properly. So let us take the user input x. Now we will take the float input in this session. Float input. I will write a message inside. Enter your distance. Now let us think about the first condition. Suppose the robot will say hello if your distance is less than equals to 35 centimeter and greater than 20 centimeter. So write it in this way. If our distance should be greater than 20 centimeter, x is greater than 20 and x is less than equals to 35. Print the robot will say hello. Else if an important point in this session that we cannot write else if in this way in Python. We have to write elif. The distance is less than 20 centimeter, less than equals to 20 centimeter. It will print perform handshake. And else colon print do nothing. Else is interpreting that it is not satisfying if and elif conditions. Now let us run the program to test it. In the Python console, it is asking for my distance. Let us take 8.9. Yes, it will. It is showing that the robot has to perform a handshake. Let us run the program again. Now I am entering my distance 80. And it is showing that the robot will not do anything. Let us run the program again. And this time I am entering my distance 34. The robot will say hello. This is how we write if, elif and else statements in Python. Now in the next session, I will cover a common job interview question that involves if, elif and else statements, that is called FizzBuzz. I hope you will watch it, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Bye everyone.